The school bell that rang after everyone left. A rural school was suddenly closed. After a series of unexplained incidents. At first, students reported something strange. The school bell began ringing. At random hours. Even when classes were over. Then classrooms were found rearranged. Overnight. Desks moved. Chairs facing the board. During roll call. Teachers heard voices answering. Even when no one was sitting there. Most dismissed it. Until one night. A security guard quit on the spot. After hearing children laughing. Inside an empty corridor. No students. No lights. No movement. The next morning, records showed something chilling. The school bell had rung at 3:17 a.m. No one was inside. Days later, the school was sealed. Forever.